Good morning, students. How are you? This is online classes of DAV Public School, Daudnagar. This is Standard 6 Subject English Practice Book. Students, I am present here with the topic Determiners, Chapter 3rd. In my previous classes, you have been taught what is determiners in part first. In part second, the worksheet 1 and 2 were solved. Now in part third, we will solve worksheet 3 and worksheet 4, and these were also given you as homework. So let's turn the pages of your chapter 3rd, determiners of your book. Instructions is given here. Complete the following sets of dialogue by inserting the articles a and or the. The first one has been done for you. We have to study first. Second, question number 2. Did you buy anything? To be blank. To be, yes, I bought blank hat and blank scarf. Blank hat cost me $10 and blank scarf 12. So to be a hat, you have to insert here article a hat and a scarf. Now in second time, the hat and the scarf. Students, why have in these blanks a used and why in these blanks the used? You have to follow these rules. Remember, the is the definite article. It is used when you talk about something for second time in the same context. Very important rule. 3 there's blank fly. You have to put here article a. Second time in the same context. 3b, let him drive the fly. You have to put here the article the fly away, observing this rule. Question number 4. Ma'am, I have finished my letters to Sahil. Do you have a stamp and an envelope? Because word envelope is started with vowel E. In the same context, second time, the stamp, you have to put here the article the stamp and the drawer. Student, worksheet 3 is completed. Let's move to worksheet 4. Instruction is given. You have to rewrite the given sentences using determiners such as this, that, these and those. Once again, you have to rewrite the given sentences using determiners such as this, that, these and those. One is done for you. Let's turn your pages, worksheet 4. This is given. This is Madhuri's calculator. Now you have to use determiners. This calculator is Madhuri's. As example, to a, that is Arunima's box. Now you have to use the determiners, this, that, these and those. The answer is that box is Arunima's. Question 3a, these are Rohan's book. Now you have to use determiners. These books are Rohan's. See your pages of worksheet 4, chapter determiners. 4a, these are Srishti's chart. Answer is these charts are Srishti's. Question number 5a, those are Saloni's sketch pen. Answer is those sketch pens are Saloni's. 6a, this is Chavi's file. This file is Chavi's. 7a, that is Madhav's paint box. That paint box is Madhav's. Remember, you have to follow this rule. Demonstrative like this, that, these and those, when used alone are demonstrative pronoun. When they are placed before a noun, they are determiners. Homework, solve worksheet 5th and do it yourself. Thank you. This is your homework, worksheet 5th. Now students, your today's class is completed. Thank you.